Mayra, our relationship has always been placed on a path with no U-turns or roadblocks. Ever since we first met, when your sister encouraged you to come back to ask for my number, to this moment, here and now, everything just always seemed to fall into place.
First of all, I want to thank God for allowing our paths to cross. I will never forget the day we officially met at the birthday party in Paris. After just speaking a few words with you, I instantly knew I wanted to get to know you a little bit more. And right before I left, I asked Leslie if she could go with me to get your number. All I wanted was to make a new friend, but I was not counting on falling in love with you. You were the sweetest guy I had ever met, and the moment we hugged for the first time, I knew you were the one. Surprise!
Gracias, mija. Te ves una hermosa. Te ves muy hermosa, hija. Que Dios te bendiga. Te ves hermosa. Baby.
We have had many struggles. It was never easy, but we always pushed through it. We have had our ups and downs and winding roads, but in the end, we found our path. I am grateful for the years we have spent together. I'm looking forward to spending many more years by your side. I promise to stand by your side through life's most joyous moments and challenging ones. I promise to be kind, patient, and forgiving. I promise you always.
The last 13 years have been filled with fun and adventures. But now, as we move on into this new chapter of our life, I pray to God that He will give us many more years filled with countless blessings. Most importantly, I pray that He guides us in our marriage. I promise to always be there for you in all times and to be your biggest cheerleader. I promise to honor you and to love you with all my heart, now, always, and forever.
Los declaro marido y mujer. Un aplauso. Puede besar.
Dios me regaló 4 hijas y una bella esposa que las amo con todo mi corazón. Y ya tenemos más de 30 y tantos años casados y le doy gracias a Dios por eso, mi hija. Y quiero que sigas con nuestro ejemplo y que sea Dios que los vaya guiando. Charlie, ahora este regalo es tuyo. Te pido que lo cuides, lo protejas, la ames con todo tu corazón y trátala bien.
Dios los bendiga y los guarde y que siempre lo tengan a Él como prioridad principal en su hogar. Y que sean muy felices, que Dios los bendiga mucho, que se esfuercen, que sean valientes, dice la palabra, y que Dios va a estar siempre con ustedes.
I wish you guys nothing but the best. Have a baby soon because Caleb needs a cousin. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. Expect me over at your house very, very often because I'm going to be at that pool and at that gym. So you'll see me soon, probably Monday, after you guys come back from your vacation. But yeah, cheers everybody to love. Cheers to long living marriage. Cheers.
Well, Mayra, congratulations. Charlie, congratulations. My sister, my dad said that if you don't want her to give her back, I say you keep her. She's non-refundable. You can't return her back. She's yours to keep. She's now your problem. And I want to give cheers to you guys and welcome to the family, and I love you guys.